Hello and welcome to our channel Health Corner. Before start watching this video, please note that if you are looking for the world's best health products such as weight loss and flat belly products, workout protein shakes and diabetes control products, to buy that products, please click on the links in the description for the best price.
Garlic is called Allium sativum in the medical language. Garlic is a widely consumed spice and it is available all around the world. Garlic is with many health benefits, mainly due to its diverse bioactive compounds, such as organic sulfides, saponins, phenolic compounds, and polysaccharides. Garlic is commonly consumed and has a long history of being utilized as a traditional medicine in China and India. If you put garlic beside your bed or under your pillow before you sleep, garlic can help you to get a good sleep. Garlic has a strong aroma which has a calming effect that will help you to get a quality sleep. If you take 1 clove garlic with hot milk, it will help your body to recharge quickly and get fresh to improve your activities of next morning. You can add some honey in it for the better taste. Cancer is acknowledged to be a primary cause of death in the world, and various natural products like berries, cruciferous vegetables, tomatoes, and ginger have been demonstrated to possess anti-cancer properties. Recent studies have also shown that garlic and its active constituents can protect against diverse cancers, such as colorectal, lung, gastric, and bladder cancers. Garlic can protect your digestive system. Garlic has been reported to have therapeutic efficacy against gastric tissue injury. A study showed that black garlic extract can stimulate gastrointestinal peristalsis, promote gastrointestinal emptying, and facilitate defecation. Garlic has a variety of bioactive compounds including organosulfur compounds, saponins, phenolic compounds, and polysaccharides. In general, organosulfur compounds in raw garlic have higher digestibility than in cooked garlic. The antioxidant activities of natural products have been widely evaluated, such as fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, cereal, flowers, and wild fruits. A study evaluated the antioxidant capacities of both raw and cooked garlic, and found that the raw garlic exhibited stronger antioxidant activity. Usually, raw garlic had a stronger antioxidant activity than cooked garlic, and the antioxidant activity of fermented garlic, such as black garlic, was stronger than that of crude garlic. Garlic and its bioactive compounds have also been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. In a study, the ethyl linoleate in garlic reduced the production of nitric oxide and prostaglandin. Garlic supplements alleviated osteoarthritis in obese or overweight patients by reducing resistance. Garlic contains many bioactive compounds that are beneficial for the immune system. In an in vivo study, the treatment of garlic oil 30 minutes before the administration of diazinon to Wistar rats can normalize several immunological parameters of rats, such as their serum total immunoglobulin concentration and T-cell subtype. Garlic can also protect the heart. In a study on rats shown that garlic has been shown to increase protein levels and reduce cardiac hypertrophy and remodeling induced by isoproterenol in rats. If you liked this video, please press the like and share button. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And just in case if you are unhappy with this video, then please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.